Are you looking to grow your email list faster and to gain more subscribers as quickly as you can? In this video, we're going to talk about lead magnet ideas that actually convert and that will grow your email list faster. And when I say lead magnet, that can mean, a freebie, free download. There's a lot of terminology that goes along with that, but these are essentially the most effective freebies that I have created to grow my email list. And also, I just want to mention that if you're interested in learning more about building an email marketing plan to make income in your business and what that holistic plan looks like, there is a link to my free email class in the description that shows you exactly how to do just that. So be sure to join us there too, but let's go ahead now and jump into the video. The first freebie that is super effective when it comes to growing your email list is templates. Templates are honestly probably one of my favorite freebie ideas for a few different reasons. First of all, it gives a very quick win and it solves a pain point for your ideal client or customer and gets them onto your email list, right? So it's really easy for them to implement and see an instant win, an instant result, and for them to think, wow, like that was really helpful, and immediately become an engaged subscriber of your email list. And so this can look like email templates, workflow templates, design templates. Like you could literally apply this to any niche and think about what kinds of templates. It could even be like a meal plan template. I don't even know. There's so many different things that you could use this and apply it to your business, and essentially think about how you can give a template over to your ideal client and have them, see an instant win from that. So this could be a template for a program you use, or like I mentioned, even like email templates or a meal plan template or whatever it is. Offering that free template can be a very, very effective freebie for your ideal client to download. And also another reason why I love freebies is it's very easy for you to create. Obviously, this template should be one you have created, right? It shouldn't be one that you've bought from someone else and now you're offering for your own freebie. Like, please don't do that. But it's a template that you have created yourself. Either it's one that you use yourself already, or that's very easy for you to create and offer as a freebie. And that's why I love it, because especially if it's something you already use in your business, it's going to be really easy for you to take that template and to offer it as a freebie instead of having to create a brand new resource, right? So I'm a huge fan of templates. They have also converted really well in my own business. Like we've offered, for example, some free Reels cover photo templates. Those have done incredibly well for our freebies and in growing our list. So just thinking about how you can apply the idea of templates to your specific niche and create templates for your ideal client. The second freebie that I'm absolutely obsessed with, and that has grown my list so much month after month, is live webinar replay freebies. And essentially what I mean by this is taking a live free webinar that I have done and putting it on replay, essentially giving people an on-demand access they can always watch. Now, I am a huge fan of this. Is it more time intensive than other freebies? Yes, absolutely. But this is where we get the most opt-ins month after month for my email list and automated sales in my business. Like we're talking over $50,000 generated since I implemented my first one. I think it was about a year and a half ago. And that's all sales on autopilot just happening because people are accessing this on-demand replay, watching it and getting pitched a paid offer very organically, very genuinely. It's not an hour-long sales pitch, but just inviting them into an offer at the end. And I've just seen so many amazing results from my business. And I share that because I want to show you what can be possible for you and seeing list growth. We usually see, I think around 400 opt-ins specifically for our free Reels class every single month. Like it's absolutely insane, you guys. And so it really does grow our list so much month after month and is a really great opt-in. It's also essentially like an expedited sales funnel. So especially if you're selling mid to high ticket offers, this is a great way to take a cold lead and to turn them into a warm lead and then quickly into a customer really, really fast, because they're seeing you talk, they're hearing your voice, they're watching you on the screen, they're getting education via, if you have slides and things like that you're sharing, right? And so it's basically, instead of having to take days or weeks to nurture this lead, you're instantly taking them on this journey with you in like an hour to potentially become a paid customer, right? And so like I mentioned, this is great for, especially if I would say an offer that's around $200 or more is typically what I use a live webinar for. I've seen others use live webinars to sell offers up to like $2,000. So there's definitely a really great opportunity to sell offers, no matter if it's out. Typically it's for online courses and digital products, but I really would argue you could use this for coaching, for one-on-one services, for live programs. There's really a lot you could do with this. The third type of freebie that I am obsessed with is quizzes. Quizzes are really fun and interactive. They're a really great way for you to just have a little bit of fun with the quiz you create for your ideal client, for them to have fun as well as they're filling out the quiz. And essentially the idea is like they take the quiz that you've created, and at the end, in order to get their results, they have to give you their email address, right? And what we have found that works best for quizzes and how quizzes generally work best is if you have the goal of the quiz is for them to find something out about who they are or who they are in their business or who they are, as it relates to your niche, right? So for our quizzes, we have a couple of quizzes that we have tried. We've done your next, discover your next real idea. We've done your next step to your next 1,000 Instagram followers. The 1,000 Instagram followers has definitely been a little bit better, I think, and also directly relates, or it does a good job relating into a paid offer. But both of those have been really fun to just create and put together for our audience, and it's a little bit more interactive, right, than just giving a free download or giving a free ebook or something like that. And I think it's just a really fun way, especially if like maybe you have a business where like there's a lot of different ways people can enter your world as far as paid offers go. So you could even have a quiz that's like discover your next step to working with me, or discover what the next best step for you as it relates to your branding. And obviously like those steps would be related to your different offers. Like if you have DIY templates or one-on-one services, then the whatever the result is like you would be a great fit for one-on-one services and then offering a link to your information, or you would be a great fit for DIY templates, or things like that. And so there's just different ways you can very strategically use quizzes and just make it more interactive for your audience as far as a freebie goes. And when you're thinking about freebies, something that I really want you at the end of the day to really make sure you're doing, because beyond these different types of freebies that I personally love and I love creating, I want you to think about how can I make this freebie irresistible and give immense value. So think about what would be irresistible for your ideal client to want to download, and that when they download it, it gives them so much value that they're left wanting so much more and wanting to learn so much more from you, and creates an engaged subscriber from the very beginning. Thinking about these different things is really going to help you to see higher conversion rates, right? But also to see higher conversions as far as whenever you do pitch a paid offer, because they got so much value and were served so well from your free stuff. It's a no-brainer to join your paid stuff now, right? And it turns your subscriber into an engaged subscriber and ultimately a customer, right? And that's kind of the end goal of email marketing, is to turn those leads into sales. And so again, if you're wanting to learn a little bit more about building a really powerful email marketing plan for your business, we dive even more into freebies and freebie creation and things to think about, and different things to set up in order to be making money from your list and how to actually make that happen. This is not a 1-hour sales pitch. This is not a fluffy webinar where you're just learning the why. I actually get very tactical and sharing different things as it relates to more advanced email marketing strategies. But no matter if you're beginner or advanced, you'll definitely learn a lot inside this webinar. And I would love to see you inside. The email marketing education that I provide is unlike anything I've seen out there, and is what I wish I had when I was first starting my email list and getting started in business, because where a lot of email marketing courses end is where I was wanting more information about the strategy of launching and automations and tripwires and freebie creation and how do you do all these things, right? And so that's what I'm bringing to the table for you guys. I'd love to invite you into that free class as a great step. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below as always, and I'll see you guys in next week's video on Tuesday. Bye guys.